Hello everybody to Cooking with Cheesecake Bird, and today we're gonna be cooking some sandwich, something simple, but not any sandwich, because not any, a sandwich without anything is not really a sandwich, is it? So we're gonna be cooking a butter sandwich. So first you're gonna need bread, knife if you already have one. I don't know how that's called, and butter. So let's start. Yeah, let's start. First thing you gotta do is cut the bread, which shouldn't be very hard. Oh, this is very hard. Bread. There, you cut the bread. You can also, like, if it's like this kind of bread, you can also, like, I don't know how it's called, but you can open it like this, or leave it like how you cut it. Many options you can do. And now, up to the second thing, the butter and the thing I don't know. So now that you cut the bread, see the two options I was talking about. You can leave it like this, or you can open it fully. Yeah, there's a lot of types of bread you can do this with. I'm making it all. So let's grab the butter. Oh, I forgot about this part. If you wanna make this, like, you gotta use the stove, and the stove it's, let's say, not very dangerous. Yeah, very dangerous. So you might need to talk with your parent or guardian about cooking with this. Ask for information, kids, or people who are watching. Now what we gotta do, depending on the stove you have, mine has this, which shows me what side I'm gonna do. No, you aren't. Now all we're gonna do is put it at 3. Let's do whatever the one is safer. That's in here, and the next step is coming out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. But before we can do that, we gotta clean our mess. We can leave the kitchen like this. Rats are gonna come and try it chewy. Can't leave that. So I'm gonna go bring the thing. I'm gonna be right back. So if you do have one, you can just, if you have like a napkin or a thing your parents used to use, like, to clean things, just grab this, remove the bread. We're gonna cook this. We're not want soapy bread. Now you gotta clean it. Don't let it fall like I'm doing. It's like if you let it fall, people might get angry at you. Look at this. Fall in there. Oh yeah, I forgot you gotta clean it. You can't leave it like this on soapy. You gotta shake it. Shake it like this. Put it in here. Start the water. So if you didn't know, bread dissolves or usually breaks into small parts in water. So it might, I won't say it always does, depending on the bread you're using. But like, it will usually break into little parts. That's part of the reason I'm using this bread, common bread. That's the one that breaks. So now that we got the place clean up, and we got the stove running. Oh, whoa! I forgot about something in the stove. You can't let the stove always on. Yeah, the stove you're usually supposed to put it away. You can't just like leave the stove on. That's very dangerous. Yeah. Here you are. Just leave the bread. And I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do next. So now that we got everything ready, now let's start cooking. Right up next. And we're back, guys. Sorry to be loud on that, but like, I'm really hyped for this. So, one last thing you're gonna need is spatula. The spatula is used usually for burgers, but because this got really hot, I'm using a spatula. This is how it's supposed to look for me. It's supposed to be very buttery, just like the bread. You're also supposed to add butter on the top as well. When I'm looking at mine. I think so. Yeah, you can cook them. I think they're done. I think they're done. So I usually like these like this, but you can let them roast a bit more. Let them roast a bit more. Like, if you really want to, you can let it end up with having like black stuff on it. Like it's really like from a burger. But you don't have to as long as it looks yellowish like this. It means you're done. It means that you're really good. So I call them like cheesecake with butter bread. Yeah, that's a kind of weird name I call them. But like, I might come up with a better name for them. You'll see. I think they're done. So I'm gonna grab a spoon. Not a spoon, a plate. And I'm gonna show you how they came out. So yeah. So here we are again. This is how they came out. They don't look very bad. They don't look very like bad made. They're pretty nice. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna finish with this video. So this is actually what I used to eat back in my where I used to live. If I used to make it in the groceries. It's not very bad. It's just regular bread, just put more butter in it. It's supposed to. You know, like they say. Sorry about that. There's like a truck outside. Well, you know, like they say, bon appetit. Half bread, so like the bread. Oh well. I'll deal with this later. Also, a new Mevo server on Discord. There will be a video being uploaded of it later, like tomorrow. So go watch it when it releases, and see you guys later. Bye.